Hi, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and today I want to talk to you about restoring wood, why restoring wood is so important. Skyrocketing prices, and we've all seen it in the news, we've seen it online, skyrocketing prices of wood and engineered products, composites, polymer type products, PVC type products that replace wood, all are just going through the roof. And there is such a need. More and more people are building decks. The pandemic has really pushed things forward. We see all the supply issues because people are actually using this stuff. People are spending more time at home, more time there. They want to be safe. They've put a lot of concentration into the outdoor living space, which is your decks and so forth. So it's never been more of a premium to take care of what you have or what you're using moving forward. So your cost for replacement is huge. There's just umpteen reasons why you would want to restore your wood and extend the life of it. And let me just go through the progression. If we put wood out and we don't really take care of it, it starts to warp, crack, it grays out. It just doesn't last as long. Organic growth gets on and it can rot the wood. You're looking at something that might last anywhere from 7 to 12 years, and that's it. However, if you restore your wood properly, clean it, get rid of the organics, and then stain, seal your wood and extend the life of it, you're gonna get 20 years plus. You see people that get 25, 30 years out of their decking and their wood because they take care of it. If you have a log cabin or wood side at home, what are you gonna do moving into the future with the cost of wood? You wanna make sure you preserve and hold on to that. So that's why it's really important today, more than ever, to restore your wood. If you have a wood surface that's gonna last a while, you don't wanna replace it. You wanna extend the life of it. So proper restoration methods and staining and sealing is more important than ever. It's such a premium on it. So the point of this video is to let you know that Deck Restoration Plus Deck and Wood Stain will help you do that, but also to highlight the fact that this is more important of a service than it ever has been because of the pricing. The pricing has doubled, sometimes 3 times more than it ever was, depending on the wood, whether it be cedar, whether it's pressure treated pine, mahogany, and the hardwoods have gone through the roof as well. So there's so much reason for restoration. I'm trying to emphasize that a lot in this video. I hope you're getting that point. So make sure you take care of your wood. If you have any questions about restoring your wood or taking care of it or extending the life of it, we're here for you. So give us a call, contact us, and we will help you. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and thank you for watching this video.